I am loving my time here at Westgate, and this room is a huge reason why, because we have one of these cabana style rooms with your own private patio out here that leads straight to the pool. First, you have some kind of shared space, a lot of space. You could have the kids running around if you brought them, and a fire pit. I could not get it to work last night. I don't know if it's only for the winter time or if it's just not working at all. There's plenty of options on this side of the tower, on the other side of the tower too. But we are on the pickleball side. There's not been any sound issue there. And the way you access this private area is a set of stairs, and then take this walkway straight to the pool if you want to. This building right in front of me is the Spa and Fitness Center. And then just right over here is the pool area. And you get a little view of the Sphere, a little bit of the Link high roller there. If you didn't want to use the patio to go to the pool, you could walk out the front door of your room and access it from the hallway. But it's great just to have your own private outdoor space. It's kind of like a balcony on a cruise ship. Just anytime you want some fresh air, you can get it. Last night I brought my drink back from the casino and sat out here. This morning there was some rain whenever I wanted to go to the pool, so before that I took my laptop out here, and because it is covered, we were completely safe to do some work out here listening to the rain. You can lock up once you're back in, and then this door and the windows are tinted so nobody can look inside your room. And then inside we're in a suite, a Lanai Suite with a sofa, chair. We got a desk, one TV. It's certainly giving the Venetian with the split levelness of it. You walk up, here's a king size bed. They also have double queen options with the seat here on the foot of the bed. Second TV, a microwave, a big microwave. Was not expecting that. And you could actually use it because you do get your own personal mini fridge. There is a coffee maker. I won't be using that. And then finally, the bathroom area. We've got double vanity in here. The shower has a waterfall head, but also a wand that you can switch to. The toilet is in this section. There is a door you can close for privacy, but it is so heavy and on these aging tracks that you probably will not close it. So there goes the privacy. Inside the closet is your safe. And it's just been really great. I've enjoyed my time at Westgate. This is my second time here. I think it's truly underrated. Lanai Suite is what I'm in. And you can either book it as that, LANAI, or see if they have any available when you go at check-in. That's what I did this time. And the upgrade was not crazy, especially if you're looking for any of those cabana-style rooms at other resorts. Definitely give Westgate a shot. It's right on the monorail. It's right on the Vegas loop. Access to all of the strip. Check it out, Westgate Lanai Suites, and I'll see you in Vegas.